man, what's good, too? Welcome back to another video. It is your boy Vontae 1K, and as y'all can see today, man, we are sliding the M5 competition. It is fairly wet outside, pretty much just finished raining, but yeah, we finished slide this M5 comp. As y'all can see, we really don't have we don't have much to work with, but we finna make it happen. Alright, y'all, so boys, as y'all can see, we are now in the whip. Take it too long, man. That's a green light. One thing that really irks me with this car is that it keeps trying to catch traction. Like, it keeps upshifting, basically. I don't need it to upshift. Like, just chill, man. Like, I'm not waiting at that light. That shit's not happening. And it just turned green. What the fuck? See what? This is what I'm talking about. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Like, I'm so used to sliding a fucking charger. Like, a charger would just spin. This shit wanna do all this extra shit. Like, I don't have time for all the extra shit, man. Just let me do what I gotta do. You can't stop greatness, bro. I'm sorry. It just is what it is. Slide that one. Make that bit too hot.
Nobody, for real, when I'm siding. Go on the drill. Gun in my lap, all my bro be in the passenger. 3 on that fuck shit, killing ya, he savage. I damage him, make him put a plug. He's so damaged, bro, I damaged him. Make him put a plug, he's so damaged, bro.
Y'all think I got this?
Mercedes-Benz on the
Slap that bitch in 4-wheel drive. Slap that bitch in 4-wheel drive and get the fuck up out of there. Back in 2-wheel drive. Just like that, we back into 2-wheel drive. Hey now, what's going on? Oh, this nigga want to turn too. Boy, man, get that shit about the way, boy. Yeah, I can't wait for this car to get tuned, but there is a... I'm gonna talk about this in another video, but yeah, unfortunately some things came up where it's gonna take a little minute to get this car tuned, bro. But the M8, we got some cooking for the M8, so make sure y'all stay tuned, man. Be on the lookout for some M8 shit. But in the meantime, gang, I ain't gonna lie, the M5 gotta get put on hold. The M5 gotta get put on hold real quickly. That car coming fast as shit. Finna see what this lunch talking about. Is there a timer on here? Can I put? Hold on. I think I know where a timer is. Hold on. Let me see. Hold on. Down. Lap timer. What? Now that's the weather, dude. I ain't want this weak ass timer. I wanted a real timer. But this car fight for traction too much, bro. I need to get some Lawrence springs on this bitch. It's fighting for traction too much. But I don't get it. This car set the fucking world record for longest drift. It wasn't fighting for traction then, so I don't get what's going on now. Gonna give me one more in, then I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the video up. I'm gonna give me one more in. Put it goddamn way, my goddamn son. Finna go this way. Fight for traction all day, baby. It's cool. It's cool. Fight for traction all day. But I got the fucking wheel.